Now, real money gaming apps like Rummy and Teen Patti have been in the limelight lately for their addictive nature and the risk of significant monetary loss. States like Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu have already banned online gambling following an increased rate of suicide after players lost significant sums of money. Now, Vishal Gondal, founder of the studio behind 4G, has taken a vocal stance on Twitter against the perils of real money gambling. Since then, over 10 legal notices have been filed against Gondal, claiming defamation, religious discrimination as well as financial losses incurred through loss of revenue. Now, Haryana police have also summoned Vishal Gondal over a case filed by Faridabad resident Ajay Malhotra citing defamation caused by tweets against gaming apps. Let's go across to Vishal Gondal. Hi Vishal. Thank you for joining us. Now, Vishal, you have been very vocal against the perils of real money gaming apps, especially after they have approached the government to be vetted as esports. What spurred you to take a stance against these apps?
I think it's quite clear that these apps have nothing to do with esports. I would even go to the extent of saying that they are trying to, in the garb of calling themselves gaming, passing off clearly. These apps have significant financial risk as well as addiction.
Right.
We've already seen so many suicides, so many crimes related to people who have lost money playing these apps.
Right.
So I think it's quite clear that there is a huge challenge. And I just wrote about it in a publication talking about the various issues and what the government should be doing about it.
Right.
And while several states have already banned it, I think it is very important that civil society members, media and everybody seriously look at it, because kids are having access to these games and parents are not aware. Parents are thinking that their kids are playing esports, while in reality they may be playing a game of Rummy and Teen Patti, gambling away their money.
Right. So you are now amidst legal notices and a fresh new police complaint has been filed against you at Faridabad police station. How do you plan to take this forward? How is online real money gaming such a big threat according to you?
Yeah, I mean, clearly these complaints seem to be highly motivated by people who are getting impacted by this, right? And these are not individuals. Clearly the huge companies and cartels behind these businesses are feeling threatened by what I'm saying. However, I am just addressing my views as a citizen and, exercising my right to free speech. I have not made any defamatory statement against anyone. All I have said is that the government needs to seriously look into these games and create appropriate rules, create appropriate regulations, and make sure that people are warned about the ill effects of these games. And clearly some people have not liked it.
Yes, Vishal. Also, I wanted to ask you, that actual real money gaming companies haven't responded to any of your allegations. Do you have any thoughts on that?
I mean, I don't know. I have not specifically mentioned any company or individual, because I don't have a problem with any company or individual. I'm just having a problem of how all these games are trying to classify themselves as gaming or esports. So I don't have a problem specifically with any company. But clearly, a lot of these individuals who are filing, sending me legal notices and filing police complaints seem to have problems. And funnily enough, while they have all sent me legal notices, they have not even mentioned the name of one game they play. They have not mentioned any game name specifically, which is kind of surprising.
Right. How do you think this issue can be resolved? States like Kerala, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu have already banned real money gaming apps. Are you proposing regulation or an outright ban on real money gaming apps?
See, I am no one to propose a ban or, all I can tell is that I wanted to, as a responsible citizen and somebody who's been in the gaming industry for 25 years, I started coding games when I was 16. I just wanted to make sure that people don't think that nobody is talking about it, right? Because currently all these apps were getting a walkover since nobody from the industry was speaking. I just wanted to put my views out, and I'm hoping that finally the government, the media and everybody else will be taking this issue forward.